Hey everyone, let's create a look today. We're going to do it using the BH Cosmetics Festival palette. I know it's been out for a minute, but I mean, it's since April, okay, it's still kind of new. So first I'm taking the color Escape. I'm using that as my foundation, as the color that brings everything together, and it also matches my shirt that I'm wearing. I just thought it would be really pretty. I really like the way that this went on. It just glided on smooth like butter. It was really easy to blend. I used the color Spirit to kind of blend it out a little bit. Now I wanted to have some pops of color in this look, so I went in with Ultimate. It has a nice like sheen type of finish to it. It was really easy to apply. I would also advise applying it wet. And for the other eye, I went in with Wicked. Now you're just going to see me doing lots of blending. And now I'm bringing that first color, Escape, down to my lower lash line to bring everything and tie it together to create this smoky, alternating type of colorful look. I really like the way my eyebrows look in this video. I think I'm going to start doing them in that shape. Alright, so for my under eye sheen, I used Trixie in the same palette. And I'm just blending Trixie and Escape. I'm blending it up. I used a little bit more of that Spirit for in between shade. And right now you do see me grabbing for that Huda. I wanted to make that purple pop a little bit more. I really like the finish that it brings. And you just see me really smoking out that under eye. And I do start bringing color to the under eye as well. Going back in with that Ultimate. Alright, and I'm just going to be smoking that in on the lower lash line. Okay, if you guys hear some stuff, this is like the third time I've tried to record this. There's a neighbor walking and she's talking on her phone, and I'm not going to re-record this again. Okay, and then that is Sephora. That is a pencil. I forget which pencil it is, and I don't feel like digging and looking for it, so I don't know exactly what color it is, but it's pretty. I put that into my inner waterline. I'm taking the color Trance from the BH Cosmetics, and I'm blending it out. I really like the way this look came out, you guys. And I'm just doing a lot of blending, bringing the upper part to the lower part, bringing the lower part to the upper part. Now with that foundation by Ben Nye, I did get that from Camera Ready Cosmetics. This is one of my favorites. I do use this a lot on my clients. It makes it easy to match. It gives you several different undertones to match your client's skin tone with. I'm just using it as a concealer. It is way too hot here in Savannah to be using a whole face of foundation, in my opinion. And you know what? My skin is pretty snatched. I'm good. I don't need it. So I just use a little bit to really clean up that eye look. And then I go in with a little bit of contouring after that. I got this contour palette by Pure Cosmetics. I really love their whole brand and what they stand behind. I love how their makeup lays. They have really good eyeshadows. They have really good contour kits. And then you can just see me. I'm going to be creating the new shapes on my face. You know how it is. Oh, and that orange. Ooh, and that dropping stuff. Okay, so right now it gets real. I love the Sephora palettes, the contouring palettes, the cheek palettes. They are so good and they give you such a good bang for your buck. Like, they're so excellent. I don't know why people don't talk about them more often. They're so overlooked. Now for my highlight, I believe I actually used Moonchild. There we go. I used the blue one. Just in the center area. For the highlight that was on the cheeks, that's from the Sephora palette. And I also put some of that same highlight right there with my fingertips, just to kind of make it more glowy. Well, I hope you like this look, you guys.